Hello, Roberto from CioWeb. In this video tutorial I want to show you how we can duplicate an existing website with Oxygen. So in this case I'm not going to use all the fantastic features and basic helpers that Oxygen offers, but doing a job mainly with using HTML divs and some CSS. Okay, the website I would like to duplicate is this box website that was built in 2013. It is based in it was built with the toolset starter theme that is based on Bootstrap. I remember I use also for this site the layout page builder from toolset. So this is a website. It's quite a simple website with one fixed width of 1000 pixels that has a header, one main picture, and then in the content area we have on the left hand side the menu, and the content area on the right, and the footer. Okay, and then I have actually already built this layout with Oxygen, and then I will use this screen to remind myself how to do to rebuild again. Okay, so this is the starting point. We have a blank page, and let's start. The very first job is to just get this green background. So we go to the body, and then in this case we need to use a global CSS, that is by writing our style in the style sheet. I already created this GMA style, and then I have already the body background CSS that was commented out, and then now I just was commented, and then I'm just commenting out. And now we have the green background. The very first job, let's go back to the structure, sorry, it's here, is to build the container of the website. The container is just white box, let's say that. We do that by adding a very simple div. We give to this div a background white color, and we need also give the size that is 1000 pixels. So we go to size and spacing, and then we set up the, because this is a responsive website, 100% width and max width. In this case we use the pixel, 1000 pixel. Let's just save. I think I can get that my first preview. Let me check here if I can get it. Yes, we don't see anything because we need also put some content in the div that is white. Okay, the first after so this is the container. Okay, and let me just go again to the structure, and let's just rename this div as container. It is very convenient to name all the part of the web, all the section of the website, container. Okay, let me go again 1 second here. So we need now build the header that has this graphic. Okay, header. That will be inside the container, so that's why it's selected the container. So in this case, another div, and we name this div header. header. Okay, let me check again the reference. All right, and the header, we can make the header. I forgot one thing. I have to go back to the container to also assign a padding and the margin. Margin from top is 25 pixel. Sorry, oops. So we have this space here, okay, 25 pixel, and I also would like some padding inside. Can you see this part? Okay, so the padding, let's do 20 everywhere. Okay, padding is here. And now let's go back to the header. I would like the header to be, let me go back again to the container to check that I need to center it as well. I probably forgot. So size and spacing, yeah, to center a container in the middle of the page we need to assign the auto on the left and auto on the right. Okay, as you can see, it's centered now. All right, now let's go back to the header. Header, let's do it 100% white. Okay, and then let's add inside this header our graphic. So we go here, we go in media library, and then I think we should be probably this one. Okay, let's just save this one and then let's check how this website is progressing. Yes, it's there. Okay, now let's go back again to the pre-built. So now we need so the header has the image. Okay, there is not email. I will show you later on. And now we need to build this section with this main image of the beautiful Gower Peninsula in Wales. So I need to create another div that include this image. Okay, let's go again here. So we are in the header. We need to go back again inside the container. Remember always to select the container where you would like to add a div. So let's add another div. I think I named main pick home. Okay, let's name this one, rename main pick home. And then let's just give this div again the width of 100%, and let's add the pick. Add basic image, and let's take the image from the media library, that is this one, photo on page JPG. Okay, so let's check one moment the original site. Okay, so we need to add some padding, margin, sorry. Yeah, actually is, sorry, is a margin. Okay, let's save in 25 margin. And we have the pick. Okay. And now we need to build our content area. So I go again, I select again the container in the structure sidebar. In this case, I will add two columns, and then let's just select, I think this is the best option, and then let's add some margin, let's say 25 roughly. Okay, let's go, I am a perfectionist, so 25. Inside these two columns we have to add the sidebar menu and the content on the right hand side. Okay, so we go here, we name this div sidebar menu, and let's go to grab this menu, WordPress menu. And the nice thing about Oxygen that already, because I have only one menu in this website, immediately show up the menu. So the first job we have to do now with this fantastic CSS technology named Flexbox is to make it vertical. And then we need also, let me remember what I did, make maybe this one wider, so we can go to size and spacing and we can make this width 100%. Okay, we also need replicate this font and this color of the font. To do that, we can use this nice utility in Google Chrome, that is this what font. So we open what font, we go to the links, and then click to see which font it is. So we have a Dynalite 400 and the size is 32 pixel, and also we have the color here. Let me just copy the color here. So the link color is here, so Dynalite 432. Okay, so we go here, we go to menu, primary. Okay, so text, font family Dynalite, and the size was 32 pixels, and we have also the color here. I think it's like a dark green, so color. And we have, obviously look smaller because it's smaller the screen, so we go for 100% is bigger. Okay. Now there is something that I didn't find in Oxygen, because I wanted to put this underline here, because the links are actually the list items. I was not able to find this property in the inspector here. So what I did, I simply went to the style sheet. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe there is some property I'm missing. Okay, right, okay, and I just create this CSS code that put a border of 1 pixel gray on these links. Let's save. navigation. Yes, I have to. This was made on the previous layout, so I need to assign this class now to these links. So if I go here, should be my nav. Yes, job done. Now we need to remove this border on the left side. Okay, let's go back here. That is on hover, I think. Yes, this 3 pixel border we don't need anymore. The job is done. Yes, all pages are here. Right, okay. Let's just check 1 second the original site, and then with this ruler I would like to check roughly how wide is the menu area. So let's say 237. Okay, so what we can do here, we can go in this let's go back to the structure, sidebar menu. Okay, and then we can assign a width of smaller. No, 40% is too much. 25% should be alright. Let's check the original. Should be alright. Let me check again here. 100%. There is too much padding here. Yeah, I need to remove the padding. That is the padding by default provided by Oxygen. So spacing, let me just remove this padding. I think I went to the wrong part. Let me check. Text. We are in the menu now. Okay, the menu is here. Spacing. So why is not applying? One second. The issue with the padding is fixed. For some reason in the editor, Oxygen editor, look like there is a lot of padding, but when let me save again, when I go to the actual, let me refresh this preview, there is a minimum padding, but I lost the underline. I know why, because I need to assign this CSS class. Okay, so let's check again. I should get the line underneath as well. Job done. So it's very similar to the original. Look. Okay, now we need to work in this blank area with the content. So we need copy this content, use the just Oxygen for this job. Okay, now columns, sidebar, and this is the content area. So it's a good idea to give a right name, content area, and we can start. So we need 2 headings and a text box. Let's say 3 headings and a text box. Okay, add basics, heading, and then let's just start copying this one. Let's check. The font is Lato, 432 pixels. Okay. exit. Typography, lato 32. I remember was 400. Okay, now the other one is welcome to Grimmel. Okay, so we can, what we can do, this looks like a smaller Open Sans 24. Okay, Open Sans 24. Open Sans 24. I can easily duplicate this one and say that this one is Open Sans 24. All right. This is done. Okay, I will need to center this one. Okay, so typography, center. Why don't center? Because we need to center the div. Okay. Now we need add the text area. Okay, but this text area I don't want. Okay, good question. What I am doing wrong now? I stopped the video one moment. So what I did is the content area, which is a div, I assigned put all the content on the left, but I assigned to the two headings one the auto property. In a way they are now centered, while the actual content will go to on the left. So let's copy now the content, copy, and then we need this heading again, this one, copy. Maybe you can duplicate this one and we can drag and drop underneath. Oh, I like the drag and drop of Oxygen. It's very nice. Okay, now let's carry on. We have a photo, and then I put actually a div underneath with this. So photo first. So structure, we are still in the content area. Okay, add the basics, image, and we go to grab this nice landscape of the beautiful Wales where I live. Okay, now we go and we need another div with this caption, let's say a kind of caption. Copy. I tried the actual WordPress caption, but it didn't work properly, so I decided this other solution here. So let's add another div, just a div. What is the div? Okay, it's here. Div, and then let's say that this div is 100%, and then is centered. So with thanks to the auto, we have this centering below the photo. Okay, but there is something that I made a mistake. I should use this picture, sorry about that. So we go here, I choose the wrong picture. This is the actual photo. Okay, job done. but I lost that div. I div is here. Okay. So the div has we need to assign the background color that I forgot is in the CSS. Okay, when you have don't remember, you just go here, page color picker, and grab this. This is the code. Okay, and now we go here and we assign this background color to this div, and then we need insert one text inside. Okay, and then the caption is a front view of Green Meadows Annex. Okay, and then we need to do this typography color. Let's do white. Let's also add some padding, and then okay, the text, why not center? Because it's a div, so I need to go at div level and then center. Yeah. Okay, let's see now. It's bigger than the photo. Okay, we'll fix that. Let's check now the front end, how it's progressing. Okay, I will fix this one. I pause the video a moment. Okay, the caption is fixed. Actually, the caption was the div caption, let's say that, was absolutely fine. I just forgot to assign the size of 100% to the actual picture. So everything is now done. And then let's keep it going. We need it there. So we need now to insert. Okay, I will skip the shortcode for the social sharing shortcode. So I don't want to make this video too long. Okay, and then I will go for just to insert the footer. So now I need to add this content that I was forgetting. So go here, go again in structure. So we are in the actual content area. In this div, we need to go inside the content area and then add another text block, and then we paste this content. Okay, close this one. We put some margin, let's say roughly 25, and the content is done. So saving now. All right, so we have the home page now. We need just add the footer. Okay, let's speed up now the work in progress. So structure again, and now we need go to put something outside the container. So we go for another div that went inside. I didn't want this, or outside. Okay, we have the div outside. Okay, and now we make this div background black, and we need to center it with auto. Let's save. Let's check now. Sorry, I have an internet connection not very fast. This server is okay. It's not the fastest server available, but it's okay. But sometimes, look, takes some time. So wait a little moment. maybe I'm having some problem right now with my server, so we need see now this, when this will be done, this footer. Okay, so we need also, I made a mistake, we need also give the same max width of the container that was 1000 pixels to this footer. So we go here, spacing, and we go for the max width. In a way the footer match the container. Let's save this one. And now let me make the job. The job will be to insert the credits. Internet connection problem. Right, the internet is back now. I think that we can finish this video tutorial here. I can just go to the template that I did that was completed before, and just to show you that in this footer, which is actually a div, I inserted another div that included one PHP code. You will be wondering why PHP code while I could insert a simple text, because I really like to, when I insert the copyright info, to put the previous year and the current year. So I just inserted this simple code here to get the current year that you can see here. So 2013, 2018, and then my company credit on the right hand side. Now, just a moment. Okay, I'm able now to show you the final result. This is the copy. This website, this is an Oxygen website. Okay, accidentally I have added a big padding on the links that now is been removed. So this is a staging website that is a duplication, okay, of this website built in 2013 with toolset started bootstrap theme. I would like also to show you how this website now, because I did some further job, okay, respond to different screen size. Okay, right, let's go here, and now there is a breakpoint where I have the hamburger menu, nice, ultra modern, all centered. It's not finished yet. If I go a little bit further down, I get only the logo, and then all the margin on top and the bottom has been removed. If you go into the original size, the big size, you see all the margin on top and bottom. But when you go to the tablet level and mobile phone level, that margin is gone. It is only the logo and the hamburger menu. And the website, what is important to mention, that there is functionality in this website that come from pods, gravity, forms, toolset, lots of stuff. All the functionality works perfect with Oxygen, so I didn't have any issue, any compatibility problem. Okay, I hope that you really enjoyed this video tutorial, and then see you next time. Bye. Let me close the photo first.